Hello everyone, how are you all? This is your educator G Vijaya Manorama. सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल विजय मनोरमा ट्यूटोरियल्स। बहुत दिनों से आप लोग पूछ रहे थे कि क्लास 11th का स्टार्ट कीजिए मैडम। सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट। ओके, सो टुडेज टॉपिक इज यूनिट्स एंड मेजरमेंट्स। दिस इज योर second chapter. Physical world is the first chapter. So physical world, units and measurements all together we are going to discuss in this session. Okay, just the introduction part. Today we are going to discuss what are dimensions, what are the units, these all things, just a basic thing we are going to discuss today. So hope all of you share with your friends, जितना ज़्यादा हो सके अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करो इस वीडियो को, सब्सक्राइब करो मेरे चैनल को। ओके, so as you all know that I start with a positive note. So today's quote is, if you don't like something, change it. If you can't change it, change the way you think about it. Okay, so this is a very beautiful quote which I found. So I have changed myself to class 11th, from 10th to 11th class, like you people only. So that's why I have taken this class. I am going to take this class. So physics I am going to teach. Okay, so units and measurements. So measurements in everyday life we find this measurements. And also, before starting that, so what is physics? Can anyone so write down in the chat box or comment section? You can write what is physics. So let me tell you what is physics. Physics is the study of nature and its laws. Physics is the study of nature and its laws. Okay, so many laws are included. So what is physics? Physics is the study of nature and its laws. There are so many different events in nature which are taking place, and we expect that all these different events in nature are taking place according to some basic law, and revealing these laws of nature from the observed events in the physics. So like that only, one of the very beautiful thing which we find in our daily life is measurement. When you go to shop to purchase anything, that you measure with the help of this, whatever the devices are there, you measure the mass of that particular thing, volume of that particular object, length of that particular object. You can find out the temperature, you can measure all these things. So there are the fundamental forces are also present in the nature. There is a role of mathematics also there in the physics. In the physics, if you see the measurement of mass, when you see the numbers, the digits which you will get, that is related to mathematics. So this maths and physics are related to each other. So measurement of volume with some number, with some units. Okay, measurement of length with some number, with some units. Here temperature also the same, the digits which you find, these all are, there is a interconnection with the physics and maths you have. So all the natural phenomena which made easy by the help of mathematics only. So we can say that mathematics is the language of physics. By the help of mathematics, we explain and understand the basic laws of physics. Okay, in a better way, we can understand the language of physics along with the mathematics. We can understand it very nicely. Suppose, for example, gravitational force. Gravitational force of attraction. What is the gravitational force of attraction formula? Can anyone राइट डाउन? फटाफट से कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख दो, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. ओके, सो दैट फोर्स वी कैन राइट इट विथ F equal to G m1 m2 by r square. Okay, so gravitational force of attraction between two points of masses m1 and m2, which can be written by mathematical equation. Suppose here is one object with mass m1, the force which acts, another object is there which has a mass m2. Okay, there is a attraction. Okay, there is attraction in between this. So r is the distance between that only we can write it as F is equal to g into m1 m2 by r square. R is the distance. So like this, so many forces also there. The fundamental forces in nature, if you see, gravitational force, electromagnetic force, strong nuclear force, weak nuclear force, these all are the whatever the types of forces and all we are discussing, this is related to the physical world. So where we are, each and everything is interrelated here. So like that only conservation laws also present in physics. So law of conservation of energy, law of conservation of linear momentum, law of conservation of angular momentum, law of conservation of charges. About these all things also we are going to discuss in the further classes. So first of all, our topic is introduction of units and measurement. So measurement in our daily life, measurement of mass, measurement of volume, measurement of length, and measurement of temperature. Okay, so physical quantities which measure those also. So what is the need of measurement in physics? To understand any phenomena in physics, we have to perform the experiment. So these experiments, they require measurements, and we measure several physical properties like length, mass, time, temperature, pressure, etc. Like this only, so many other quantities also there, which about which also we are going to understand further. So experimental verification of laws and theories also needs measurement of physical properties. Okay, so here if we see, first topic which we get is physical quantities. What is physical quantity? The quantities by mean of which laws of physics are described are called as physical quantities, like mass, length, area, velocity, force, acceleration, temperature, these all things. So what is this physical quantity? We can write it as PQ. Okay, so what is physical quantity? The physical quantities which can be the quantities which can be measured by an instrument and which describes the laws of physical world. Okay, a physical property that can be measured and described by a number is called physical quantity. You can write this also, or else you can write the definition as the quantities which can be measured by an instrument and which describes the physical world. If you see, I am taking the here physical quantity, I am using the letters PQ. Okay, PQ means physical quantity. PQ means N into U. N is the numerical value. N is the numerical value, and here U is the unit. U is the unit. Unit means which compares the thing. Comparison. Okay, which compares the thing. Okay, number of times of unit. Numerical value means number of times of unit. Suppose for example, if I take 75 kgs. Here mass of a person is given as 65 kgs. 65 is the numerical value, kg is the unit. Okay, so if I take mass of a person is 65 kgs and mass of another person is 75 kgs, so there is a comparison between this. Okay, so how many times it is mass 1 and mass 2? Okay, how many times, whatever the times we write. Okay, if it is 2 times or 1, if it is 2 times, it is greater than m1 is m1 and m2. M2 is 2 times greater than m1. If we see, that is only PQ equal to NE. This N is numerical value 65 kgs and the comparison, that unit is in kgs. Okay, so which we express. So next, types of physical quantities. There are 3 types of physical quantities: fundamental quantities, derived physical quantities, fundamental physical quantities, and supplementary physical quantities. Okay, Fundamental physical quantities, the physical quantities which do not depend on any other physical quantities for their measurements are called as fundamental quantities. This is the basic thing. Fundamental quantities are the basic ones. Okay, so here 7 fundamental quantities are there, that also we will discuss. So physical quantities, fundamental physical quantities which do not depend on any other physical quantity, they won't depend on any other physical quantity. So the physical quantities which do not depend on any other physical quantities for their measurements are known as fundamental quantities. Just copy the thing. Okay, copy and try to understand. If you have any doubts, ask in the comment section, we are going to discuss. एंड नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेरा लिंक, टेलीग्राम लिंक भी दिया गया है, आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, कोई डाउट हो तो आप पूछ सकते हैं. ओके, सो फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी क्या होता है? फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी इज द बेसिक थिंग विच डू नॉट डिपेंड ऑन एनी अदर फिजिकल क्वांटिटी. सो ये जो फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी जो होता है ना, ये किसी और के ऊपर it won't depend. Okay, fundamental physical quantity is the basic quantity which do not depend on any other physical quantity. There are 7 fundamental physical quantities. So first one is length. SI unit of length is meters and the symbol is m. So these are the basic things which you need to remember. You can take the screenshot. अगर आप कॉपी पेन से रेडी हो तो जस्ट कॉपी द थिंग. ओके, सो mass is the second physical quantity, kilogram is the SI unit and kg is the symbol. Time, third physical quantity, fundamental physical quantity. Okay, seconds is the SI unit, S is the symbol. Next one is temperature, Kelvin. बहुत सारे अलग units हैं, लेकिन Kelvin is the perfect one which we take. So Kelvin is the SI unit and symbol is K. Next one is electric current. Ampere is the SI unit, symbol is A. Luminous intensity. Luminous intensity is candela, CD is the symbol. Amount of substance, mole, MOL is the symbol. So you have to remember all these 7 fundamental physical quantities. Fundamental physical quantities, 7 fundamental physical quantities are there. Length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity and amount of substance. Second one is derived quantities, derived physical quantities which are made up of fundamental physical quantities. Okay, so derived physical quantities are made up of fundamental physical quantities. So derived physical quantity का definition क्या है? The physical quantities which depend on one or more fundamental quantities for the measurements are known as derived quantities. Okay, if you take for example area, what is the unit? मीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, एरिया अगर ले लो तो एरिया का मीटर स्क्वायर. मीटर स्क्वायर का मतलब लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ और लेंथ इंटू लेंथ. लेंथ का क्या होता है? मीटर इंटू मीटर. इफ वी राइट फंडामेंटल फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज मोर देन वन टाइम, इट इज कॉल्ड एज डिराइव्ड फिजिकल क्वांटिटी. वॉल्यूम का मीटर क्यूब. स्पीड और वेलोसिटी का डिस्प्लेसमेंट बाय टाइम, मीटर पर सेकेंड. फोर्स का क्या होता है? फोर्स इक्वल टू मास इंटू एक्सेलरेशन. मास इंटू एक्सेलरेशन, इसका यूनिट क्या होता है? केजी. मास का केजी, एक्सेलरेशन का मीटर्स पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. केजी मीटर्स पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. Okay, so what is derived quantity? Which are made up of fundamental physical quantities. Okay, so these are the example: area, volume, speed or velocity, force. ऐसे बहुत सारे हैं which we are going to discuss. Okay, so what is derived? 2 types of physical quantities already we have discussed: fundamental physical quantity and derived physical quantity. Now it's time to discuss the third one, that is supplementary physical quantity. What is the third one? Supplementary physical quantity. The supplementary physical quantity, here there are of two types, two units we find. Supplementary physical quantities, two different we find: plane angle, for plane angle, and for solid angle. What are those two? Plane angle and solid angle. Okay, so plane angle, what is this for plane angle? If we see here, थीटा, थीटा का मतलब क्या होता है? थीटा का 1 रेडियन इज द यूनिट. रेडियन क्या है? ये यूनिट है. Okay, so plane angle, if we see here, it is for a circle. When we take, it is with 360 degrees equal to 2 pi radian. We can write it like this. 180 degrees का कैसे लिखेंगे? 180 degrees का pi radian. नेक्स्ट वन 90 degrees का कैसे लिखेंगे? pi by 2. With two planes, if the angle which it is forming, that is only called as its plane angle. Okay, next one is solid angle. Here this theta कैसे लिखेंगे? Theta equal to, with black I'll write it, theta equal to arc by radius. थीटा इक्वल टू आर्क बाय रेडियस. ये थीटा का यूनिट क्या होता है? रेडियन. ओके, रेडियन क्या है? दिस इज द यूनिट. रेडियन क्या है? इट इज द यूनिट. ओके, सो 360 डिग्रीज में कैसे लेंगे? 2 पाई रेडियन. 180 डिग्रीज में कंप्लीट सर्कल का. इट इज यूज, रेडियन इज यूज टू मेजर प्लेन एंगल्स. रेडियन इज यूज टू मेजर प्लेन एंगल्स. नेक्स्ट वन इज, what is the next one? Solid angle. Solid angle means supplementary physical quantities are of two types: plane angle and solid angle. Solid angle means any 3D angles. Any 3D angle. Okay, if you take this cone, okay, if you take this cone, यहाँ पे कैसे लिखेंगे? थीटा इक्वल टू एरिया बाय डिस्टेंस. एरिया बाय डिस्टेंस, dA by r square. ओके, सो वेरी स्मॉल एरिया, इसका एरिया हम लोग लेंगे. सो थीटा इक्वल टू एरिया बाय डिस्टेंस. इसका एंगल थीटा, इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट, थीटा इक्वल टू एरिया बाय डिस्टेंस, that is dA by r square. R is the distance. So here this theta is nothing but steradian. Steradian is the unit which we can write it as SD. Okay, so for very small areas we can find out like this. So now it's time to learn about the dimensions. Okay, how many dimensions are there? 7 dimensions of the world. What are they? Fundamental quantities and their dimensions. Length L, we show the dimension with the letter, first letter L. मास का m, टाइम का t, टेम्परेचर का केल्विन है ना, सो k, करंट एम्पीयर, सो a, अमाउंट ऑफ एनी सब्सटेंस विथ n, ओके, एंड लुमिनस इंटेंसिटी is with c or j. Okay, as it is the energy, so j here it is given, c or j. This we have to close with this type of brackets. Okay, so amount of substances, in some books you will find it like this, mol also. Okay, n or mol. Okay, so what are these dimensions? So dimensions are the powers to which the fundamental units are raised in order to express the derived unit of any quantity, of a quantity. Okay, so what are these dimensions? Dimensions are the powers to which the fundamental quantities are raised in order to express the derived unit of any quantity, or else the powers of the fundamental quantities in a derived quantity are called as dimensions of that particular quantity. So what is दिस डेफिनेशन जस्ट अपने कॉपी पेन लिया हो ना, जस्ट कॉपी इट, कॉपी द डेफिनेशन. Dimensions are the powers to which the fundamental units are raised in order to express the derived unit of a quantity. ये आपको याद रखना है. अभी we are going to practice all the dimensions of physical quantities. Okay, dimensions of physical quantities we are going to write now. ओके, याद रखो, लेंथ का L लिखेंगे, मास का M, टाइम का T. मेन these three are the most commonly used fundamental quantities. Okay, most commonly used fundamental quantities, FQ. Okay, K और theta also we write. टेम्परेचर को K और थीटा ऑल्सो वी राइट. ओके, सो लेंथ, मास एंड टाइम, L, M, T. By using all these three, most of the dimensions we are going to write for the physical quantities. Some other also which will include with temperature, current, amount of substance and luminous intensity also. Okay, chalo. Now it's time to write down. Chalo, first one, what we are going to write? Dimensions of physical quantities. Okay, dimensions of physical quantities. Before starting, okay, you also just draw it like this so that clearly you can write. आपको IIT JEE के लिए भी this is going to be very much useful. Okay, so please children, don't ignore the class. Whenever I post the videos I am going to inform you. So just copy pen पकड़ के रेडी हो जाना. कोई भी डाउट हो तो आप पूछ सकते हो. Okay, okay, so here is the dimensions of physical quantities which we are going to write. Okay, first one is area. What is the meter square area का? So what is the meter? Meter is length. So what we'll write? L square. Right? You can write it as MLT. With three forms only we have to write, no? Mass, length and time. So here mass is there, not there. M0, L square, T is 0. Okay? Either that or this. Make a habit of writing this. Okay? Make a habit of writing or with all the three. Okay? What is the dimension in the unit of area? That is 2. That's why L is with square. Okay? Second one is volume. वॉल्यूम का क्या होता है? मीटर क्यूब, L क्यूब. राइट, नाउ कैसे लिखना है आप बताओ? M0 L क्यूब T0. राइट. थर्ड वन इज डेंसिटी. Density, what is the formula? With formula you can write directly kg पर मीटर क्यूब. सो यहाँ kg का मास क्या है? M1 है, मीटर क्यूब है, सो L क्यूब. कैसे लिखोगे इसका? M1 L-3, ये नीचे वाला ऊपर जाएगा. राइट. T टेम्परेचर कितना है? 0. टेम्परेचर कुछ भी नहीं दिया हुआ है. So main, what are the three most commonly used? Mass, length and time. So with all these three only we have to write down the dimensions of the physical quantities. Right. So अभी fourth वाला बताओ. Velocity. वेलोसिटी का क्या है, डिस्प्लेसमेंट बाय टाइम. ओके, डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज द लेंथ, राइट, डिस्प्लेसमेंट बाय टाइम. ये क्या होगा, एल बाय टी, एल बाय टी. ओके, सो L1 t minus 1. Okay, you can write with m. You have to write with m. Sorry, I forget to write. Okay, you have to write with m. m कितना होगा, m is 0, m 0, L1 t minus 1, right. अभी नेक्स्ट क्या है, एक्सेलरेशन का लिखो ऑल ऑफ यू. Acceleration, change in velocity by change in time, that is meters per second square, right. So इसको कैसे लिखेंगे, L by t square, L by t square. इसको कैसे लिखेंगे, m हो गया आपका 0, L हो गया 1, t हो गया -2, right. So same acceleration due to gravity also g, वो भी सेम हो जाएगा इसका. ओके, एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी जी का भी सेम होगा, m0 L1 t minus 2 मीटर्स पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर, राइट. सो अभी नेक्स्ट वाला सिक्स्थ का फोर्स, फोर्स का देखते हैं अभी क्या होगा. फोर्स इक्वल टू मास इंटू एक्सेलरेशन, राइट. सो मास इंटू एक्सेलरेशन मतलब kg मीटर्स पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. इसको कैसे लिखेंगे, m हो गया आपका 1, मास हो गया आपका 1 kg, मीटर इज द लेंथ, L1 सेकेंड स्क्वायर, नीचे से ऊपर आएगा t -2. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस, इससे बहुत काम है फर्दर क्लासेस में. फोर्स का जो है, दिस यू नीड टू रिमेंबर. नेक्स्ट वन इज मोमेंटम. मोमेंटम इज इक्वल टू मास इंटू वेलोसिटी, p इज इक्वल टू m इंटू v. इसमें क्या होगा, kg मीटर्स पर सेकेंड. कैसे लिखेंगे इसका, kg का m, मीटर्स m1 L1 पर सेकेंड, नीचे से ऊपर आएगा t -1, राइट. नेक्स्ट वन इज वर्क. वर्क का क्या होगा, फोर्स F इंटू एस, F इंटू एस. ओके, कैसे लिखना है, मास 1, लेंथ 1, t, लेंथ यहाँ पे 2 आ जाएगा, स्क्वायर हो जाएगा ना. ओके, t नीचे से ऊपर जाएगा -2. ओके, नेक्स्ट वाला 9 का पावर. पावर का देखो, पावर इक्वल टू वर्क बाय टाइम, राइट. वर्क का क्या होगा, जूल, वर्क का जॉल. ओके, सो दिस वी कैन राइट इट एज F इज इक्वल टू W इज इक्वल टू F इंटू एस, राइट. सो यहाँ पे M1 L2 एंड यहाँ से t ऊपर -2 है और एक जाएगा -3. ओके, ये टाइम भी ऊपर जाएगा, सेम है ना. वर्क इज इक्वल टू F इंटू एस, ऑलरेडी वी गॉट दिस. टाइम इज एडेड, नीचे से फिर से ऊपर जाएगा तो -3 हो जाएगा, राइट. सो वंस यू टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस, few more also we are going to write, which you need to remember. ये सब आपको याद रखना है क्योंकि IIT JEE में इसमें से few questions you will get, right. So I'll clear this. So next one, you only write down kinetic energy का लिखो, write down for kinetic energy. Meanwhile I'll clear this. Okay, so these are very very important. If you know the formulas, you can write it very very easily. आपको अगर formulas याद है तो आप easily इन सब का लिख सकते हो. So I'm giving you the homework to write down and send in the Telegram channel. Okay, this is your homework. ये आपका होमवर्क है. लिख दो किसका? एनर्जी. नेक्स्ट वन इज काइनेटिक एनर्जी, potential energy, impulse, next frequency. 10 I'll give you, 10 you need to write. Okay, next torque, next is angular momentum, these all you need to write. Okay, आपको लिखना है इन सब का dimensions. For these physical quantities you have to write down the dimensions of the physical quantities of energy, kinetic energy, potential energy. आपको formulas कितने याद है, कैसे लिखोगे, that I want to see. So you have to write down this and send me in the Telegram group. Okay, so in the next session we will discuss that also. You can check whether you have written right or wrong. ये क्लास 11th का इस चैप्टर का क्विज ऑल्सो आई एम गोइंग टू कंडक्ट सून. आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू व्हेन आई विल कंडक्ट. ओके, so meanwhile what you have to do, you have to just write down the dimensions of these physical quantities. Few physical quantities are there which don't have units and dimensions also. What are those? That I am going to discuss now. So before going to that 10, I said that I am going to give you 10 physical quantities whose dimensions you need to write. So angular momentum, next one is stress, next one is inertia, next one is 10th one is angular frequency, one more angular velocity. Okay, these all are with MLT, mass, length and time only. Okay, so few are there which are rather than this mass, length and time, sorry, mass, length and temperature. So few more are there, that also we are going to discuss now. Okay, surface tension. Okay, you need to remember these, not temperature, mass, length and time. With mass, length and time only we are writing all these dimensions. So here few are there which are rather than mass, length and time, like electric charge, electric potential, electric resistance, where ampere is also used, capacitance, if you see, quantity of charges and all, Q by V. Okay, so these all things where they were included, those also we are going to discuss. And few are there with some constants, dimensions of some constants also there, that I am going to discuss now. Okay, before that, time gradient and temperature gradient and all, few formulas are there, few dimensions also we are going to discuss now. Okay, so now for strain, if we see strain का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, चेंज इन लेंथ by original length. ओके, चेंज इन लेंथ बाय ओरिजिनल लेंथ, दोनों का क्या होगा, मीटर मीटर, ज़ीरो हो जाएगा. ओके, सो L ज़ीरो हो गया, M ज़ीरो, L ज़ीरो, T ज़ीरो. ओके, एवरीथिंग इज ज़ीरो. dimensionless quantity, right? One more is there, Young's modules of elasticity equal to stress by strain. ओके, स्ट्रेस बाय स्ट्रेन. स्ट्रेस का क्या होता है, m0 l-1 t-2 बाय m0 l0 t0. स्ट्रेन का all zeros. So what is finally you will get m l-1 t-2. Okay, so this is Young's modules of elasticity. As a few are there which you need to remember. One more about surface tension also you have to write down and send me. Okay, so next one is electric charge. Electric charge, what is electric charge? Q is equal to I into T, ampere into T, A1 T1. कैसे लिखेंगे, m0 l0 a1 t1. ओके, नेक्स्ट टेम्परेचर ग्रेडियंट डेल्टा टी बाय एल. ओके, सो डेल्टा टी का केल्विन, केल्विन बाय एल. कैसे लिखेंगे इसका, m0 l-1 k1 t0, right? This is about temperature gradient. So some dimensions which have constants, that also we are going to discuss. Dimensions of, you can pause and copy the things. Okay, I am clearing the board to write, so you can pause and copy the things. Okay, dimensions of some constants. So यहाँ पे क्या, refractive index which you have read in the class 10th. refractive index n equal to c by v. ओके, c का क्या है, स्पीड ऑफ लाइट, स्पीड l t-1, वेलोसिटी ऑल्सो l t-1, दोनों गया कैंसिल, m0 l0 t0. इट इज डायमेंशनलेस, राइट. राइट, सबसे पहले फर्स्ट आई हैव गिवन वन फॉर्मूला, F equal to Z into m1 m2 by r square, universal gravitational constant. Okay, another is universal, where constant is there, gravitational constant. Constant. You just copy, don't take the screenshot. Screenshot लोगे तो भूल जाओगे कॉपी करना. First onwards, if you write the notes, prepare yourself. That will give you a nice confidence to crack your JEE NEET, whatever is your goal. Okay, so start making the notes right from the beginning. So G equal to gravitational constant. Constant का formula क्या होगा, G equal to F r square by m1 m2. So इसका कैसे लिखेंगे, m l t-2 by m into m, क्या होगा, m-1 l3 t-2. ओके, ऐसे ग्रेविटेशनल कांस्टेंट के जो मिलेंगे वो फॉर्मूलास. और एक है प्लैंक्स कांस्टेंट, बोल्ट्जमैन कांस्टेंट. ओके, प्लैंक्स कांस्टेंट. नेक्स्ट वन इज Planck's constant. E is equal to F. Planck's constant F. Energy m l square t-2 by t minus 1 equal to m l square t minus 1. Okay, one more constant which you will come across, Boltzmann constant. Okay, this is PV equal to KT. Okay, T is temperature, P is pressure, V is volume, where K is the constant. Okay, so K equal to pressure into volume by temperature. प्रेशर का क्या होगा, F by A into V by temperature. ओके, F का ml T minus 2 by एरिया का L square into L cube by T, right? M1 L2 T minus 2 K minus 1, because Kelvin, टेम्परेचर का केल्विन होगा ना, that you can write with theta M1 L2 T minus 2 theta minus 1, right? So these are few with constant. So two supplementary PQ physical quantities are there, that is solid angle and plane angle. Okay, plane angle का रेडियन and solid angle का स्टेरेडियन होता है. And here when you have seen refractive index, no units, no dimensions. Okay, strain and refractive index have strain and refractive index. These two don't have units and don't have dimensions also, right? Okay, ये आपको याद रखना है, स्ट्रेन एंड रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स जिसका यूनिट भी नहीं है, डायमेंशन भी नहीं है. सो होमवर्क जो दिए हैं, दैट होप यू पीपल विल फिनिश ऑफ एंड यू विल प्रैक्टिस. अगर कोई भी डाउट हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में आप पूछो, कोई भी डाउट हो तो टेलीग्राम सेक्शन में आप पूछ सकते हो, टेलीग्राम लिंक जो नीचे दिया गया है. एंड होमवर्क वट एवर आई हैव गिवन, जस्ट राइट डाउन द डायमेंशंस ऑफ ऑल दिस फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज and send me in the group, so that if you have any doubts I am there to clarify. So dimensions कैसे लिखना है, एक बार स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो. डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू मास बाय वॉल्यूम. सो मास, वॉल्यूम क्या है, लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ इंटू हाइट. सो दैट ओनली m l t are the three common which we use. So m is mass, l is length, so m l minus 3. So dimension of density are 1 in mass and minus 3 in length. So hope I am clear with all these things. Okay, so if you have any doubt you can ask me. So find the dimensions of the physical quantities. One more homework. Find the dimensions of the following physical quantities: frictional force, B, charge. Already 11 I gave, 11 12 13 14. Okay, and refractive index, and D, strain. Okay, find the dimensions of the following physical quantities: frictional force, charge, refractive index and strain. All the 4 dimensions you need to write down and send to Telegram group, right? If you have done, update in comment section. ओके, कोई भी डाउट हो तो पूछ सकते हो. चलो, सो बी स्ट्रांग, बी कॉन्फिडेंट, स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्दी। ओके, बाय बाय, ऑल द बेस्ट। जितना ज़्यादा हो सके अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करो और लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो। सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल विजया मनोरमा ट्यूटोरियल्स। आज से वीकली 3 or 4 days आई एम गोइंग टू टेक द क्लासेस फॉर क्लास 11th ऑल्सो। ओके, थैंक यू, बाय बाय, ऑल द बेस्ट, टेक केयर।